Ladies and gentlemen, water is a prerequisite for sustaining life on Earth. Any known form of life requires water to exist. Therefore, scientists have long followed clues about extraterrestrial water in hopes of finding life in the universe. A planet similar to our Earth with abundant liquid oceans could be a cradle for life. Moon Europa, or Saturn. However, these worlds are extremely cold, so cold that water there is frozen like in a freezer. While no truly ideal place has been found in our solar system yet, recently, scientists have discovered an area with an incredibly abundant water source in the universe, surrounding a young star about 450 light-years away from Earth. Initial calculations show that the water in this area is about 3.7 times the volume of Earth's oceans. So, what is the truth behind this story? Let's explore together. According to data from NASA's Kepler Space Telescope, it is estimated that there are over 1 trillion planets in our galaxy. Among them, many planets are similar in size to Earth and may lie in the habitable zone of their host stars. Although to date, researchers have not found evidence of extraterrestrial life. However, the chances are immense. Modern telescopes with exceptional power are gradually bringing us closer to the answer to whether we are alone in the universe. Recently, scientists were extremely surprised to discover a potential area for extraterrestrial life. Using the ALMA telescope array, researchers found a massive water vapor cloud surrounding a young star named HL Tauri, about 450 light-years away from us. This is a relatively close distance in astronomy. Notably, the amount of water vapor is incredibly abundant. Calculations show it contains about 3.7 times the volume of Earth's oceans combined. Wow, that is truly a great opportunity for young planets forming in the star's habitable zone. This enormous amount of water could help moisten planets, awakening life buried deep beneath. However, this depends on many factors, including their parent star HL Tauri. HL Tauri is a much younger star than the Sun. It is less than 1 million years old. If compared to the Sun's 4.6 billion years, this is considered just an infant. The star is located in the direction of the Taurus constellation, about 450 light-years from Earth, meaning what we are seeing of the star happened 450 years ago. Observed in the sky, the star has an apparent magnitude of 15.1, too faint to be seen with the naked eye. But with the power of the ALMA telescope array, the star has been revealed. This is an image captured by ALMA in Chile, revealing notable features. The young star is surrounded by a protoplanetary disk, consisting of dense gas and dust, where planets are believed to be actively forming. Previously, the protoplanetary disk was first discovered in 1975. By 2014, ALMA captured an image of this protoplanetary disk, showing a series of concentric bright rings separated by gaps. This area shows planets forming at a much faster rate than scientists previously thought. A representative from the ALMA observatory stated, "When we first saw this image, we were utterly amazed by the spectacular level of detail." The star HL Tauri is just over 1 million years old, but its disk appears to be filled with forming planets. This image alone will completely revolutionize theories of planet formation. Planet formation in this protoplanetary disk follows a complex process. where gas and dust coalesce to form planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Over time, these planetesimals grow through accretion, eventually forming complete planets. Recently, scientists used the ALMA telescope array in Chile to obtain an unprecedented sharp view of the protoplanetary disk, while also revealing a rare glimpse into the early stages of planet formation. The discovery of such a large presence of water vapor indicates that newly forming planets in the area are being supplied with essential components for life. On Earth, water is involved in almost every biological process, from regulating ecosystems to sustaining individual organisms. In the context of planet formation, water is equally important. The discovery of water vapor in H.L. Tauri's protoplanetary disk means water is being distributed throughout the system at an early stage, potentially laying the foundation for life-supporting habitats to emerge in the future. The large amount of water vapor around H.L. Tauri indicates conditions that could lead to the formation of Earth-like planets. This raises the possibility that the H.L. Tauri system might one day support habitable planets. Water vapor also helps form organic molecules, the building blocks of life. In space, it can promote chemical reactions, creating compounds like amino acids, key to the development of life. The new discovery not only provides insight into how planets form, but also suggests that life could emerge under similar conditions in many other places in the galaxy. The detection of water vapor around the star H.L. Tauri is a major step in the search for extraterrestrial life. Although the presence of water doesn't guarantee life exists, it remains an essential component of life-supporting environments. S protoplanetary disk may be similar to conditions that existed during Earth. This raises the possibility that habitable planets are forming in this distant system. One of the most exciting aspects of the discovery is that it opens new directions for future exploration of exoplanets. If water vapor appears around the star H.L. Tauri, it's likely to appear around some other stars in the galaxy as well. This will increase the chances of finding planets with ideal conditions for life, bringing us closer to the ultimate answer. Is there extraterrestrial life or not? Hopefully in the near future, scientists will have more new observations to help humanity better understand what has been and is happening around the star H.L. Tauri, 450 light-years from Earth. Does this increase the chances of finding planets with ideal conditions for extraterrestrial life? Hopefully in the near future, scientists will have more new observations. For now, goodbye and see you in the next videos. Best regards, farewell.